Welcome back, everyone. So, in the last video, we made some chips and salsa. It was like 10 minutes ago, but I just cooked some steak quesadillas too. I probably should have made a video on that one, but to go along with my chips and salsa, I'm gonna show you guys how to make a proper Bloody Mary. So, let's get started. 2 shots of your favorite vodka, lemon juice, Tabasco sauce, some salt, pepper, and your favorite tomato juice. Stir it all together, add some ice, and take a nice celery, and I'm kind of like hitting it, slicing it with a knife to pop out the flavor. And for garnish, we're going to use an olive, baby tomato, baby pickle, a couple more olives and pickles. And you know, with margarita, this kind of gives you a snack. You kind of snack on this. And yeah, look at that. Looks tasty, doesn't it? And add a little lime, a straw, and enjoy. You see that? It's pretty tasty. Looks like a rainforest. Let's try it out. That's pretty tasty. Ooh. I love this song because it makes it look prettier, I guess. Anyways, this Bloody Mary turned out pretty good. And then you add in, tomatoes, baby pickles, olives, stuff like that. Kind of create your own. But I'm gonna enjoy this and probably watch a movie. So have a great night, everyone. Take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Okay, all right.